That's a shift.
Why?
Please shift now. How about see the way you cross your leg?
Say please now. Don't you know he's a man? Hey.
Which man?
A man is a king.
Show me your muzzle.
He's a man.
Which man?
Chief
of my friend. And he's opening his leg like this.
A man is a king, so you have to respect him. That's how you respect your husband. The man is king. Oh yeah, let's go.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إن الله لا يستحيي أن يضرب مثلا ما بعوضة فما فوقها فأما الذين آمنوا فيعلمون أنه الحق من ربهم وأما الذين كفروا فيقولون ماذا أراد الله بهذا مثلا يضل به كثيرا ويهدي به كثيرا وما يضل به إلا الفاسقين.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إن الله لا يستحيي أن يضرب مثلا ما بعوضة فما فوقها فأما الذين آمنوا فيعلمون أنه الحق من ربهم وأما الذين كفروا فيقولون ماذا أراد الله بهذا مثلا يضل به كثيرا ويهدي به كثيرا وما يضل به إلا الفاسقين.
So let's pick for her, Hassan.
Me that is speaking.
Okay, man.
Number 4.
Okay.
Which name of Allah means the all-knowing? A. Al-Alim, B. Al-Basir, C. Al-Hakim, D. Al-Aziz.
A. Al-Amin, Al-Alim.
So what is the meaning?
The all-knowing.
Wow. That is the final answer?
Yes. Number 2. What does the name As-Samad represent? As-Salam represent? A. The creator, B. The source of peace, C. The all-knowing, D. The provider.
B. The source of peace.
Explain.
As-Salam is the source of peace.
Okay. Final answer. Final answer. No more free. Yeah.
Number 10. Which name of Allah means the self-sustaining? A. Al-Hayy, B. Al-Qayyum, C. Al-Malik, D. Al-Aziz.
B. Al-Qayyum, the sustained.
Okay, final answer.
Yes.
I want to 1,000. No, free. Oh yeah.
Number 7. Which name of Allah means the all-aware?
I'm doing this message. Number 9. Which name of Allah means the especially merciful? A. Ar-Rahman, B. Ar-Rahim, C. Al-Ghaffar, D. Al-Karim.
Ar-Rahim. B. Ar-Rahim.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma. Yes, ma.
Final answer.
Yes, ma.
So, tell me your reason.
Because Allah is the most merciful.
Final answer.
Yes, ma.
Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Final answer.
Yes, ma.
Muji.
Number 7. Which name of Allah means the all-aware? A. Al-Alim, B. Al-Khabir, C. Al-Hakim, D. Al-Basir.
B. Al-Kabir.
Final answer.
Yes.
You not change.
Yes.
You not choose another one.
No.
Are you sure?
Yes. Number 6. Which name of Allah means the opener? A. Al-Fatah, B. Al-Rahim, C. Al-Aziz, D. Al-Malik.
Al-Fatih.
Final answer.
Yes, ma.
You not choose another one.
Mm-mm.
You try that.
Mm-mm.
Down on the
Mm-mm.
Oh, yeah, one. Choose one answer. Eh? I'm supporting you. Women supporting women. Choose the answer. Oh.
Mm-mm.
You can't help
Number 5.
Okay.
Which name of Allah means the all-seeing? A. As-Samir, B. Al-Basir, C. Al-Hakim, D. Al-Adil.
B. Al-Basir, the awesome.
Are you sure?
Yes,
How?
he is correct. That's what me have to choose.
Are you sure that is the answer you want to use?
Yes,
I'm supporting you, Hassan. You get change your beginner.
and that's what I have to choose.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Number 8. Which name of Allah means the fashioner? A. Al-Musawwir, B. Al-Khaliq, C. Al-Razak, D. Al-Hakim.
Al-Musawwir.
Are you sure?
A. Yes.
Final answer.
Yes, ma.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma.
Bring it.
Number 3. Which name of Allah means the all-forgiving? A. Al-Mu'iz, B. Al-Ghaffar, C. Al-Khaliq, D. Al-Razak.
B. Al-Ghaffar, the all-forgiving.
That one sweet me. But are you sure that is the answer?
Yes.
Final answer.
Yes.
Oh, naturally that. Oh, 1,000 boom na ha bomb boy. Oh, naturally that.
Number 1. Which name of Allah means the most merciful? A. Al-Malik, B. Al-Rahman, C. Al-Aziz, D. Al-Hakam.
Ar-Rahman. B.
Final answer.
Yes, ma. Yes, ma.
Okay, your reason.
Because Allah is the most merciful.
Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. Shine.
Yes, ma.
Final answer.
Yes, ma.
Da gaske?
Yes, ma.
Ezoku.
Yes, ma.
Masha Allah. So 1,000. Yes, ka samu na.
Cash or
5,000.
Transfer. Sure, you say you want to buy phone now, so we'll be keeping it. Your own is how much?
5,000.
Your own is how much?
3,000.
Oh, sure. Let's go.
Yes, ma.